Hey homie, welcome back to my channel Born Hermit Tales, and this is going to be a very special video for me because it is a shopping haul. It's quarantine shopping haul. So in this video I'm going to show you all the things I have purchased in this quarantine or lockdown situation when I was at my home. Also it is going to be skincare plus makeup haul and all the things I have bought and I got in PR. So all the things I'm going to show you. So let me tell you a little disclaimer. It is not going to be a detailed review video. So instead it is going to be a little like haul kind of thing only, but without any review. So yeah, that is what interests you, then please keep on watching this video. So without wasting our time, let's get to the video because I have a lot of things to show you guys. So this is the box I borrowed from my roommate because I have lot of things, so I wanted to collect that in a box. That's fine. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so I have bought this whole set. Actually this is this brushes set and it includes two sets in it because in quarantine I bought two sets. So yeah, actually how can we just create a look without brushes? So I wanted this because I have started learning makeup since 6 months, I guess 6 or 7 months, and I wanted this brushes set so badly. I just can't help. I bought straight away two sets, and also I have reviewed one set I guess, and I posted that video on my YouTube channel already. So if you want to know the review in detail, so just check out my channel. Then this is the toner from Biotique, and it's a cucumber toner, and I wanted this very badly because I got I saw some open pores in this area after I started doing makeup, and I thought why not give it a shot because I have heard about this so much from so many influencers, beauty influencers. Then this is the aloe vera gel, and it is, I got this in PR for review purpose, and it is the new launch in India. So hashtag vocal for local. And it is from Beauty Redefined, Beauty Redefined. So I am using this aloe vera gel because I have this area very oily, and I kind of liking this aloe vera gel because it is helping me to control oil in this area. So I use it every morning after bath and before sleeping. Then again I got this beauty blender, and it's so amazing, it works so well. I find that it's not wasting my product so much. So yeah. Then again this one, this is the Pond's very and it's very light moisturizer. I just love this because you know I have as I told you, I have this T-zone area oily, and so my hometown area is quite hometown area has quite humidity. So I wanted a moisturizer like this Pond's light moisturizer where I feel oily skin, and as I told you already, I have T-zone area which is very oily. So yeah, that's why I bought this, and I wanted to review this also. So I felt it's amazing. I just like this. Then Sugar, I just love this brand, and this is the combo offer was going on, I think on Sugar itself, Sugar website itself. So I bought this combo. So on this Sugar stick I got this 4 mini lipstick bold set, and they are matte. I have uploaded a video of this already, and now as today I'm shooting, so today the review of this is going to be live. So yeah, before going this video live, all you have review of this both products on my channel, so you can check out that. Then I bought eyeliners because these days graphic eyeliners are so much in trend. So I bought these 4 eyeliners from Blue Heaven, and they are under review. You can see that because I'm just using it now. So I don't know what to say about this, but they are very cheap, affordable, not cheap, affordable. And Blue Heaven is kind of a brand. It's a home based brand, and I saw so many review videos about this, their lipsticks and their I have lipsticks also. So also I have got this eyeliner because I wanted to review all these things. Let me show you some lipsticks. I have 12 lipsticks and they are also under review, so soon you will see swatches and review video on my channel. Okay. Then the next product I have is Sugar Compact Powder. I was using Lakme Compact or Compact. It was matte one only, and this is the Sugar Compact in shade 15 Cappuccino, and it is also in a matte compact. It is useful for mattifying your face, because I have open pores. Means everyone has open pores, but I think I have a lot of open pores in this area especially, so I got this. Then I was having Darling Isabella concealer, but I was not having a super amazing concealer like this. This is Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in shade 100, and it's so amazing. I just think that sometimes its applicator gets very dirty, and I don't like that. That's the only problem, but otherwise it works bomb, just like lip balm. It hides everything. I just love it. The next thing I bought during quarantine is this. This is the Face Shop Fruit Mix cleansing cream. I have uploaded a review of this also, so if you interested then you can check out. And it melts my makeup like, so I just like it. So after using this, you have to use face wash also, this and all this thing called double cleansing. So I have mentioned all these things in that review video only, you can check out that. Then I got this from in PR. It's Indus Valley natural deodorant stick, and I'm just quite allergic to deos, so I like this stick also. But there are 3-4 variants in this, and I like the lemon one, and my mom has that and I just came with this, but it's fine. It's not that much strong. I failed for the very first time, but it's working good. It's fine, not an issue. Then again I bought this Pond's micellar water. When Nykaa hot pink sale was going on, I got 5-6 things, and I have posted that haul video on my channel also. So that's that. I got this in that combo offer, and it works so well. I have 2-3 micellar water. So this is the another one. It's from Malio. It is also working so well on my face. So it has a little moisturizing effect, so once you wipe off your makeup, you will feel that your face is quite moisturized after using this. So yeah, I like it. I have bought this from local market, so I don't think I'm going to provide the link of this, but anyways, if I find any link online of this product, then I'll definitely mention that. So if you want to buy anything from this, then just definitely check out description bar. Then I bought this very cute little manicure pedicure. Also it has like we can do brows also, because this quarantine teach me a lot of things, and the one thing it includes is that how to do your brows at home. And yeah, soon I'll be posting that video, how to do your eyebrows at home. Okay, then I bought this 2 mini sugar highlighter plus blush. Soon I'll be like sugar girl, because I'm just loving all of the products I bought in quarantine, and this is pretty. I just wanted to swatch. So this is the blush shade. Look at it. It's not too much dark, not too much faint. It's just perfect, and it's in shade Pink Pinnacle 02. And look at this highlighter. It has like champagne type of highlighting effect. I hope you can see that. And its shade is 04 Royal Rose, and I just can't believe it is amazing. The amazing products I got from Sugar. Then after that, my mom bought some things for me in this quarantine, and these 2 things includes that. So this one is Kissy Beauty eyeliner, shimmery eyeliner, and this one is Sivana Colors white eyeliner pencil. So these 2 things my mom bought for me. Then Okay, so next things I want to show you is Wet n Wild. These are singles from Wet n Wild, and they are amazing. The pigmentation wise, they are so amazing, so pretty. You can just carry any one eyeshadow with you if you are traveling anywhere for 2-3 days, and they are bomb. I just wanted to swatch one eyeshadow from this is called Wet n Wild Singles Color Icon. So I will swatch this color. This is golden, and they are so pretty. I hope you can see that. They are so soft and buttery, and they are super pigmented. It works so well. Amazing one. And you will get this on different websites in affordable prices. So yeah, I just like that because they are affordable. They are super pigmented. Then I bought two lipsticks. These two lipsticks are nude because I was not having any nude lipsticks with me because I'm not such a big fan of nude lipsticks before. But now I wanted to try. So these are from the Fashion Factory, and in shade 13-14 I bought. And let me tell you, I have bought this from local market, means from the shop, and I must say they're okay, not amazing, but they work okay, fine, no, not an issue. I'm not complaining about these things. Okay, now let's move on to eyeshadow palette, my favorite part. Okay, so there are 5 palettes. Lockdown is like, look what you made me do, look what you made me do. You made me bought a lot of eyeshadow palettes. Oh, okay, fine. So I have bought a lot, and I got to know this, that I have done so many shopping in this quarantine when I was packing to finally coming back to Pune. So yeah, and some of the products are missing because I just gave it to my mom because she wanted that. So yeah, let me just tell you about this palette. And this is the Wet n Wild old wala palette, and these colors are bomb, is super pigmented. But thing is that these all colors are shimmery, so I wanted at least 1 or 2 colors in matte, because we need at least transition colors in matte. So that's why I wanted this thing from this palette. I was expecting that, but it's not. But these shimmery colors are pigmented. I love this color right here. Let me just swatch for you. Get it? Oh my god! It has that dual effect. It's so amazing. Means if you look at it, you will feel that it is brown in color, but no, it has that teal color effect. So I just love it. And along with this palette, I bought Wet n Wild Chotu Cord palette, but my mom has that, so I can't show you that. But yeah, if you want to know in detail about these 2 palettes, then you can see my review video, this versus that, means this old Wet n Wild versus Wet n Wild Cord palette. So you can see that video on my channel. Then I wanted neon, so I bought this palette from LA Girl. Also I have reviewed these. I have started my channel in this quarantine, and I think I have done so much shopping, and along with that I have posted so many videos on my YouTube channel. I'm just so much surprised about myself that whatever I'm doing right now, but I don't want to stop. So this is the palette, and my favorite color from this palette is this neon green color. Let me swatch for you guys. Look at it. Oh my god, it's so pretty, and I love this palette. I posted review of this also, you can just check out. Then I have heard about so much about this Makeup Revolution brand and their palettes. So finally I have this palette from their collection. It is Red Reloaded eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution, and it has everything. Even it has a white color, and it is so much pigmented. Let me just swatch for you. Look at it. God, it's gorgeous. This baby is so gorgeous. I can't even tell you. Means the colors are so pigmented. Okay, just one thing is that it has a little fallout problem in palette, but on eyes you can say it has a little fallout problem, but in palette it has major fallout problem, so that I don't like about this. Otherwise this beauty, this palette, it's bomb. Pigmentation wise, it's literally bomb. If you can use some shade to do your brows, your contouring, then your blush, it's all in one kind of thing. It's amazing. Then let me talk about this. So this is like, I was having a Huda Beauty palette, and after that when I went home during this pandemic, I first bought this palette. This is Morphe James Charles palette, and look at it. So pretty, and I know I have created so much mess, and you must be thinking during pandemic how I got this palette. So let me just clear that to you guys, that it's not a original one, it's a first copy of this palette. But pigmentation wise, this palette is bomb. Means you have to do you have to work on these colors, but I like it. I use it to do my face painting. I like it. I like to do face painting, so I use it, and that's why it got messy. And my favorite shade from this palette is this one, Lilac. And let me just swatch for you. Look at it. Look at this beautiful shimmery color. This bomb, just bomb color. And currently you must have seen so many lilac looks on Instagram, on YouTube, and this color is perfect. Okay, so now there is one more palette remaining. This is the palette from Cuffs and Lashes, and the palette name is That's So Me. So you will get 32 pressed eyeshadows, and so recently I have posted review about this palette. And pigmentation wise, oh no, before let me tell you guys, this is the whole palette is made in India, which is a very proud moment, and Nidhi is amazing woman. I have mentioned that in my earlier video also, but I mean she has worked on this palette so much, and it turned out amazing one. I just love it. I wanted a colorful palette like this, and I got it. So while I was thinking I want to buy a Nykaa Ke 3 palettes, because they are currently so much, you can see so many influencers doing Nykaa Ke eyeshadow palettes review, and it's like hype currently. But at that time I got to know about this palette launch, and instantly I just bought it because it's a Indian brand. Yeah, I have to buy this, so I got it. And it's working so well. It's so pigmented, and you get so many colors. So if you guys know me already, then you must have known that I love colorful looks so much. Means today's look also is so colorful. I hope you like it. And then I got this. So this one is brush cleaner, makeup brush cleaner, sponge, not sponge, you can see. Okay, but this I got in combo offer in this brush set. So I got I think 10 or 12 brushes, then that sponge I show you already, and this one, this is silicone based brush cleaner material, whatever. I don't know what to call it. Okay, so I think it is going to be a very lengthy video just by showing you all these products. So I haven't mentioned anything about in detail about any product. If you want to know about any product, then just let me know. I'll make video of that. But I'm sorry, because I thought it is going to be a very lengthy video. That's why I didn't shoot a detailed review kind of a thing. So yeah, I think wait, there is one more thing I want to tell you guys. So I before pandemic I bought some products from an international website. It is a Shop Missa or Shop Miss A. I don't know how to pronounce it exactly, but it is like that. So you'll get every product for $1. Though their shipping charges are quite high, but still I wanted to try those products, so I just shop from their website. And after that lockdown happened, and I received their package after 2-3 months. So finally I got that package, and I can't show you in this video, but definitely I'm going to post that very very soon. I'm still trying to just means they are under review, you can say. So yeah, that's that, I think. So yeah, I think I'm going to end this video right now, because that's all things I bought in this lockdown. And according to me, I have shopped a lot in this quarantine and this lockdown. So which is, I think, a good way. I don't think it is a bad thing, because I'm a learner, I'm a makeup learner, and for that I wanted makeup and I got it. I don't know. Fine. So yes, now I'm just ending this video. I hope you really enjoy watching this video. I hope you really enjoy watching how much I spend my money during this lockdown. And yeah, if you enjoy watching this, then you know the drill. Like, comment and share with your friends, because sharing is caring. So yeah, love you guys already. Bye bye, see you in the next video. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and also press that little bell icon nearby. Whenever I upload new video, you will be the first one to know.